Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about myself, talk who I am, where I come from, where I'm located, what are my hobbies, my plans, how I started with crypto, how I started with YouTube, and actually share some information about myself because I'm doing my social media for 1.5 years already, but didn't have a chance yet to introduce myself. So my name is Galina and I was born in Siberia, in Russia, in the northern city actually called Norilsk. It is a crazy one. It is 50 degrees during the winter since September till May, so it's actually very unique place because it's also one of the 10 dirtiest city of the world due to pollution and mining company located in there. So it was very unique experience, to be honest. Was born there and living until my 17, and then I moved to St. Petersburg. It's the cultural capital of Russia, the beautiful place, and I hope you guys have a chance to go there and visit it one day. So I finished my university and even PhD studies in economics there, and went to be a social professor in the university. It's a tech university, and I'm actually doing their business education, how to run IT startup and what are the best practices. So it is something I'm doing still in there now online. And as well, I'm working in IT company as a financial analyst, and it's a US company. I love doing it a lot because it's already 8-year journey for me. So you see that outside of crypto I have a lot of things to do and I enjoy a lot. And last year I moved with my cat to Cyprus. It's a small and very beautiful island in somewhere in Europe, close to Greece, Turkey. It's amazing place to live. And I also wanted to share with you how I started investment and my journey. So now I'm 32 and I started at 17 actually, so it's already 15 years for me in investment. And why I started at 17, my family and we were living in Norilsk, and there is a mining company called Norilsk Nickel, and they're trading on the stock market, and they gave some shares and stocks for the employees who is working there. So in this because of this I was kind of familiar, and my family back then was also familiar with the stocks. And when I had my first money, I asked my mom to buy some stocks and put it on her account. That's how I started. And when I was 18, I opened my personal account and start investing. And actually I had kind of successful with stock market as well, because even on the company like brokerage company I was using, there was some competition with individual strategies, and my strategy was on the top 10s. And some people also subscribed to this strategy because it was very healthy growth for even 50% during the year. So it was some start beginning beginning in my investment career. And also some people asking how I decided to start my YouTube channel and why. I was so passionate about crypto. I was researching so much. I was watching so many videos, reading so many materials like Twitter, everything. And I didn't have unfortunately or fortunately people around me who was that passionate as well, and that's why I wanted to share, I wanted to discuss, I wanted to communicate about this. And I had very great results with the new crypto. And also I just started filmed my first video. It was in Russian and about Kronos, tectonic, and accidentally people started commenting, asking to do it in English, and I decided, okay, why not? I could do it in English as well. And it's how I started. I also want to share my plans, hobbies, too. So regarding my plans in crypto, I want to do my Coin Girl Academy and share some knowledge, how to invest, the rules, even how to find 10x crypto, because during like the last year I found like 3-4 of them, and it's not happened accidentally. I have my own like methodology, let's say, and I think people could also definitely benefit from it. And I also want to do some courses for the beginners, and education is a big part of my life, and I want to move from university and build my own education platform and courses for people who love crypto, who only join in the crypto, and it will also bring the mass adoption. Outside of my CoinGirl Academy and the courses, I want to just launch my own NFT collection, because it's also a new experience and I'm very interested in NFT space as well. So I want to go through this process as well. And as for now, it's the biggest goal. It's to launch my own crypto project and start it, because you know what I'm actually teaching in the university is how to start your IT startup, how to launch your business, how you could give some value for this innovation product. And I want to do it now practically, not only saying it in the theory, but for me now it's like the biggest goal. So those are 3 projects, like NFT collection, my educational materials and courses, and on top of it is my own crypto project. And that's my plans and goals. And outside of this, enjoying my life here in Cyprus. I like snorkeling. I like people around me. My family is coming soon to visit me. I have parents and my brother. I don't have my own family yet, but one day I hope it will happen. I have a cat. I also want to have a dog, the poodle, and I'm dreaming of having one. And for now I'm living in the capital of Cyprus, and ideally I want to move to the seaside and have this dog. Walking on the beach with my dog, and I hope it will be happening soon. And yes, there is simple life on the sea. It should be cool, and I just want to express myself, do more, do a lot of nice content for you guys. I'm very happy that I have you, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.